We start with two synonyms of construction, elevation and evolution, to achieve an inspiring result. Elevo. We have now become a major company with the size necessary to compete on the international market. We have know-how and response capacity in all areas of construction. We focus on engineering and construction. We are closer to each project and to the customer. Development and anticipation of solutions. Efficient solutions. Sustainable solutions. Trustworthy solutions. Our capabilities always allow us to do more, combining the best of know-how and actions. We want to do more, build more, and thus go further. We have the courage to look forwards and discover that there is always a new world to explore. This is our essence. With the customer, depending on the customer and on their situation, helping the customer. This is our commitment. The know-how that has been acquired, together with the team's professionalism, allows us to consolidate growth and conquer new markets. We are present in Portugal, Angola, North Africa, West Africa, Central Africa, Southern Africa, and Central and South America. We focus our efforts on growing international activity. Our portfolio is a reflection of our response capacity in all areas of engineering and construction. A curriculum full of earth movements, of projects ranging from granular bases in crushed materials to bituminous concrete, of concrete for minor structures, of bridges and viaducts, underground and surface railway construction projects, and even the construction of several metro stations also form part of our curriculum. We have actively participated in the expansion and renovation of airports in Portugal and Cape Verde, and more recently in Gabon. Our curriculum includes various water projects, with particular emphasis on earth dams and large-diameter irrigation networks, as well as the supply and installation of pumping stations. We have actively participated in the design and construction of water and wastewater treatment plants, urban leisure parks, public gardens, industrial zones, and zones of plots of land, historical centers. Some of our work can be found everywhere. In our curriculum can be found several success stories of the construction and commercialization of residential complexes, associating our brand with quality guarantees. Having constructed more than 8,000 residences, we benefit from a good reputation for the construction of housing with controlled costs. By our own merit, we have earned a place in the league of the best European construction companies due to the level of construction of hospital establishments built using the most modern techniques and processes. A leader in the construction of hotels in Portugal, we have now built over 10,000 rooms. Our activities are guided by the most demanding rules of functionality, comfort, and final quality of our range of solutions. Regardless of whether we're working in Portugal or overseas, we're able to respond to challenges proposed to us with innovative methods and solutions, combined with the high levels of technical capabilities of our workforce. Our know-how obtained from the construction of technology centers and industrial installations is very valuable. Our wide range of skills in this area allows us to intervene at all levels of education and develop the most modern projects with the benefits of continuous improvement work. The construction of corporate headquarters and institutional buildings is a demanding challenge that we live up to. The remodeling and refurbishment of residential, commercial, and office buildings represents a very significant percentage in the area of civil construction, where we have vast experience. We have participated in the construction and modernization of cultural and sporting infrastructure in various markets. This is an opportunity to implement projects designed by major architects as part of a common movement to improve conditions under which public and leisure spaces are made available. With a vast experience of over 40 years of activity, always based on innovation and pioneering, Technosol represents the area of foundations and geotechnics. In the area of foundations, Technosol makes use of the latest executive methods and equipment for all types of structures, ranging from the smallest building to the most complex bridge. In the field of geotechnics, it performs a set of survey works, land prospecting and testing, which involves not only the performance but also the planning and interpretation of results. We provide water services through EcoVisao, treating wastewater and drinking water. We also work with waste, power, and environmental services, management systems, occupational health and safety, licensing, archaeology, training, and ecotourism. We have an extensive experience in aggregate and asphalt production for building and public works. The production methods have been continuously improved over the years, which is reflected in the quality of the products and therefore in customer satisfaction. Idymeta, a brand owned by the group, is specialized in the design, engineering, production, installation, and maintenance of technically differentiated solutions to the various spaces and public environments. Continuing our past, the Elevo Group continues to invest in research, development, and innovation. We have developed several projects which have contributed significantly to increase our know-how and to be at the forefront of our field's knowledge. We continue to invest. Elevo. Together we elevate. Together we evolve.